Welcome to Logical Reasoning session on blood relations from Aptitude creators. Here first I am going with the basics, then after that I will go with the questions. Now here, blood relations. I hope everyone knows blood relations, correct? How is your father's brother is related to you? And how is your mother's brother is related to you? And how is your how is your mother's sister is related to you? And how is your mother's sister's daughter is related to you? Yes. Now here, everything is same, but there will be some points we have to add. That's it. Those are the points I'm discussing now. Now here, how is your mother's father related to you? Mother's father related to you. We can say father, grandfather, correct? Grandfather. Mother's father is related to you, that is grandfather. Okay. Now what about father's father related to you? Father's father. We can say grandfather. But here, two grandfathers is not possible. Now here, this is the one point you have to remember. If we are going with mother's side, we can say maternal. If we are going with mother's side, we can say maternal. If you are going with father's side, we can say paternal. Paternal. But please don't call lively. Okay, the people will think that the people will see that up to down. Okay. Yes. Maternal grandfather. How is your mother's father related to you? Maternal grandfather. How is your father's father related to you? Maternal, paternal grandfather. Okay. Paternal grandfather. Now this is the one point. Now what about next step? Here the next point that is, if the person from same generation, if the person is same generation and the person from another mother, the person from another mother, we can say cousin. For example, how is my mother's sister's daughter related to me? How is my mother's sister's daughter related to me? Here in practically we can say sister, but in this blood relations, means in this as per logical reasoning, that is not sister. Here we can say cousin. Okay, my mother's sister's daughter. Here person me and here my mother. Here person me and here my mother. My mother's sister. Yes, here the person, my mother's sister. These two people are same generation. Correct, my mother's sister. Now, my mother's sister's daughter. Yes, here the person daughter. Most of the people will think that how is this person related to this person? We can say sister. But here, sister is not possible. The person from another mother, correct. We can say cousin. Okay. We can say cousin. This is the one more point you have to remember. Now, what is the another point you have to remember is, how is your sister's son related to you? Sister's son related to you. Sister's son or brother's son, we can say nephew. We can say nephew. Sister's daughter or brother's daughter, we can say niece. Okay. We can say niece. Sister's son or brother's son, we can say nephew. Sister's daughter or brother's daughter, we can say niece. These are the points you have to remember. And one more point, that is, if you are we can represent in by using symbols. Symbols is nothing but if married couple are there, we can represent in two arrows. If same generation people are there, we can use one line. And if below generation, we can put it as down arrow. If above generation, we can represent it as above arrow. Okay. Now females are plus and males are negative, because females are always positive. Correct. Females are plus and male as negative. Moving forward to question number 1. Pointing towards a man, Rajan said, "She is the daughter of my mother's daughter." How the girl related to Rajan? Now, who is saying here the word Rajan? Rajan said. Correct. Who is saying? Rajan is saying. Now split here, my mother's daughter. The person Rajan is saying, here the person Rajan, my mother's daughter. Rajan's mother, here the person Rajan's mother, correct? My mother's daughter, yes, here the person daughter, correct? Here the person daughter. Now she is the daughter of daughter. She is the daughter of daughter. Means that person is talking about this girl, correct? She is the daughter of daughter. Now how the girl is related to Rajan? How this girl is related to Rajan? Sister's daughter. We can say niece, correct? Answer is option B, niece. Moving forward to question number 2. If Ram is the husband of Sita, Ram is the husband of Sita, Sita is the daughter-in-law of Rahul. Daughter-in-law is nothing but what we can say, son's wife, we can say daughter-in-law. Correct. Here the person Ram and here the person Ramu. Sita is the daughter-in-law of Ramu. Son's wife, we can say daughter-in-law. Now, Rahul is the son of Ram. Rahul is the son. Here the person Rahul. Rahul is the son of Ram. Now, what is the question he is asking? How Rahul is related to Ramu? How Rahul is related to Ramu? Here the son, correct. Ram is the son of Ramu. And here the Rahul is the son of Ram. Now we can say grandson, correct. Son's son, we can say grandson. Answer is option A, grandson. Moving forward to question number 3. If Sudha is the daughter of the wife of only son of father of Priya's father. Now here, split here, Priya's father. Correct, Priya's father. Now here the person Priya and here the person Priya's father. Here the person Priya's father. Now, father of Priya's father. Father of Priya's father means Priya's grandfather. Correct, Priya's grandfather. Now, only son of father. Only son of grandfather means Priya's father only. This person is only son of Priya's grandfather. Wife of only son. Wife of only son. Here the person Priya's mother. Correct. Wife of only son. Daughter of Sudha is the daughter of wife. Yes. Here the person Sudha. Sudha is the daughter of these two couple. Correct. These two couple. Now what is the question he saying? How Sudha is related to Priya? Yes. How Sudha is related to Priya? We can say sister, because here the father, Priya's father is this person and Priya's mother is this person. Correct. These two people are married couple. We can say sister. Answer is option A, sister. Moving forward to next question. Introducing a girl, Ram says she is the daughter of the only brother of my grandmother's daughter-in-law. Who is saying? Ram is saying. Here the person Ram. Now split here. My grandmother's daughter-in-law. Grandmother. Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law is nothing but son's wife. We can say daughter-in-law. Correct. Here the person Ram and here the person Ram father. And here the person father's mother. Means Ram's grandmother. Correct. Ram's grandmother is this person. Now, my grandmother's daughter-in-law. Yes, daughter-in-law is nothing but we can say son, son's wife, we can say daughter-in-law. Correct. Here the person Ram mother. Here the person Ram mother. Correct. Now, only brother of mother. Only brother of mother. Only brother. Yes, here the person only brother. These two people are same generation. She is the daughter of only brother. Daughter of only brother. Now, what is the question he is asking? How the girl is related to Ram? How this girl is related to Ram? Maternal uncle's daughter. Maternal uncle's daughter. We can say cousin. Here the mother, Ram's mother and mother's brother, we can say maternal uncle. Maternal uncle's daughter, we can say cousin. Answer is option C, cousin. Moving forward to question number 5. Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Here the person Rajiv. Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Arun is the son of Sonia. Arun is the son of Sonia. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. These two people are same generation. Now Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Rajiv is the brother of Arun. Done. Rajiv, how Rajiv is related to Sunil? How Rajiv is related to Sunil? Here the sister. Sonia is the sister of Sunil. Correct. Sister's son, we can say nephew. Answer is option D. Sister's son, we can say nephew. Moving forward to question number 6. S is the son of M. S is the son of M. R is the father of Q and A. Okay. A is the daughter of M. A is the daughter of M. Q and A. R is the father of Q and A. Q and A. R is the father. Now, if R is the father of A, M is the mother. Correct. Means A is the daughter. Correct. A is the daughter of M. Means we can say M is the mother of A. Correct. M and R are couples and these two people are mother and father for A. Now, what is the question he is asking? How A is related to S? How A is related to S? A is related to S. Sister. Answer is option D, sister. These two people are same generation. A is female. We can say sister. Moving forward to next. P is the brother of Q. P is the brother of Q. Who is the mother of R? Q is the mother of R. Q is the mother of R. R is married to T. Who is the father of H? T is the father. T is the father of H. We can say R is the mother. Correct. Now, how H is related to Q? How H is related to Q? H is related to Q. We don't know the gender of H. Correct. In this case, if we don't know the gender of H, we can say answer is cannot be determined. We don't know the gender of H. That is the reason answer is cannot be determined. Moving forward to question number 8. A is the father of C. A is the father of C. And D is the son of B. D is the son of B. D is the son of B. E is the brother of A. E is the brother of A. C is the sister of D. C is the sister of D. These two people are sisters and brothers. Can we say A and B are married couple? Yes. These two people are sister and brother. Correct. A is the father. This person is father. Now here D is the son of B. Yes, D is the son. We can say these two people are couples. Correct. Now how B is related to E? How B is related to E? Brother's wife. Brother's wife, we can say sister-in-law. Answer is option A, sister-in-law. Moving forward to next question. Mayank father has brother Prakash. Here the person Mayank and here the person Mayank father. Mayank father. Mayank father has brother. Father has brother Prakash. Whose daughter is Ritu? Prakash's daughter is Ritu. Prakash's daughter is Ritu. Ritu is Kavita's mother. Ritu is Kavita's mother. Kavita's mother is Ritu. Sonu is Ritu's only brother. Sonu is Ritu's only brother. How Sonu is related to Mayank? How Sonu is related to Mayank? We can say cousin. Here these two people are cousins, correct? Father and father's brother, we can say uncle. Father's brother, we can say uncle. And uncle's daughter, we can say cousin. And here these two people are brothers, we can say cousin. Answer is option B, cousin. Moving forward to next. Sham is Riya's brother. Sham is Riya's brother. Here the person Sham. And Sham is Riya's brother. Here the person Riya. Riya's brother is Sham. These two people are same generation. Mohini is the mother of Anuj. Okay. Riya is the daughter of Ram. Riya is the daughter of Ram. Anuj is the Sham's mother. Sham's mother is brother. Sham's brother is Anuj. Here the person Anuj. Sham's brother is Anuj. Mohini is the mother of Anuj. Here the person Mohini. Mohini is the mother of Anuj. Now, how is Mohini related to Ram? How is Mohini related to Ram? These three persons are brothers and sisters. Correct. We can say these two people are couples. Correct. How Mohini is related to Ram? How Mohini is related to Ram? Wife. Answer is option D, wife. Yes. Thank you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do share and please do subscribe. And remaining questions I will discuss in next video. Thank you.